It was a success. It was a success.
Uncle Sandcrab, why do you have the hood open on the truck again? I thought you fixed it. It's a good question. So, back to the blown spark plug repair. Basically, that repair was a success. I went ahead, changed out the rest of the spark plugs, and everything was good. Till about a day later, and I still noticed it's always had a little bit of a bobble, nothing big. So didn't think much of it, and then after I did the thread repair and changed out the spark plugs, it seemed to actually be a little bit worse, to the point where it would throw a check engine light. So I put the little code reader on it, and it showed that it had multiple misfires codes, basically. And I got to thinking, I was like, well, I checked all the spark plug wires to make sure that, they were all on good. And no success there. So I got to thinking, I dropped the spark plug when I was changing them out. At the time, I looked at it, everything looked good, so I just threw it in there. So I came home last night because it was actually starting to get pretty bad. If you're driving down the road, you didn't really notice it, but like sitting at a stop sign or whatever, you can kind of feel a little chug. So I got home, let it cool off, went in, pulled this out, and there's some little cracks in here in the porcelain on the inside. I ran down, picked me up a new spark plug. It's identical, except for it doesn't have the little cracks in there. So we're going to throw that in here in just a second and fire up. See if makes her happy again. Alright, we got the new spark plug in, fired it up. No check engine light, nothing funny like that. She still has just this minute little bobble there every once in a while. It's probably time for a set of spark plug wires. I think we're coming up on 120, 130,000 miles, so that'll probably be my next swap out here, and see what happens. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell for notification. Most importantly, be safe, and we'll see you guys somewhere. Maybe on the trail, maybe at the road, Walmart, whatever. If you see me, say hi.